Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this really colorful and bright freehand and nail dot design. So I'm going to use this hot pink by LA Colors, and it's called Absolute. And I'm going to use my favorite white. That's my go-to white by Sinful Colors, and it's called Snowy White. I just love this white. And I painted the base of my nails white, and in an angle I'm going to paint the hot pink. Now this is a really easy design that you can do with any colors you want. I want to do neon colors. I'm really into it. It's summertime and I just want to go crazy with my neons. But if you want, you can use a piece of tape to create the line. But if you have a steady hand, this is a really easy design that you can do really quick and easy. Now using my nail dot, I'm going to apply hot pink in the white section of my nails. And then in the pink section of my nails, I'm going to add the white dots. Like I said, this is a really easy design. You can add as many dots as you want, as big as dots as you want. You can add bigger dots or little tiny dots. It's all up to you. But like I said, this is a quick, easy design. You don't have to add all the different colors like I did on all my nails. But I just wanted to do something really fun and easy. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope you liked this video. I hope I made it easy for you guys to recreate. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.